Now let's see case study based question which comes in section E. First question of 1 mark, second question is again of 1 marks, and third question where you will see that internal choice question is given. This is of 2 marks. And the marks distribution is given as 1 marks. Now let's see question number 37. First question is of 1 marks again. Second question is of 1 marks, but the marks distribution is as half marks. Third question, it is of 2 marks. The marks distribution is 1. Again, you will see that that is internal choice question in third part. In each and every case study based question, students, you will see that in the third question, you will get internal choice. Okay, internal choice question, and it will be of 2 marks. So, in the same way, question number 38, first part of 1 marks, second part again it is of 1 marks, and third part it is of 2 marks, and again you are getting an internal choice question. So that's it for today, students. Here I have tried my best to explain you all that how the evaluators evaluate your copy. Okay, so try to solve your questions very well. Evaluators give the marks for steps also, and try to solve by putting all the formulas wherever the things are necessary. Don't skip it. Okay, means I mean to say that don't give evaluators chance, any kind of a chance to deduct your marks. Be very careful in your working, in your calculation, sign mistakes and all. Okay, because sometimes what happened, in very hurry students used to do mistakes in the calculation and sign. Okay, and if you have started practicing the sample papers, then try to maintain your speed by fixing the time limit. Means how much question you have to do in how much minute. For example, your question paper is of 3 hours, so try to wind up in 2.5 hours. If you will get such type of a speed to solve the whole question paper in 1.5 hour, then it will be very good for you all. Okay, you are able to attempt all the question in the examination hall, and also will get some time to revise your answer sheet once again. So this video was in English, but if you want me to deliver it in Hindi, then tell me in the comment. If you like this video, then do subscribe it and like it. Okay, and yeah, if you want a sample paper of any other subject, then also let me know by writing that subject sample paper, so that I can make the video on that sample paper. So that's it. Work very well and work hard.